Alright guys, time to install Docker on your machine. Now, before I install or download Docker, I just want to simply say that if you don't know what Docker is, then Docker is nothing but a platform that allows you to test, build, and also deploy your application quickly. And throughout this course, we're going to be using Docker, so you don't have to worry about that because we're going to go step by step on what Docker is and how it's used and what it is used for. So yeah, now before downloading Docker on your Mac machine, you have to uh, check out which chip do you have on your Mac. Now I am currently using Mac M1, so I have the Apple chip. But if you are using another Mac, another model of Mac, then you might want to check that. And if it's Intel chip, then you can just simply download it from here. If you are on Windows, then there's no chip for that, so you can just simply download it for Windows or Linux. Now I already have Docker installed on my computer, so I'm not going to download or install that because it's going to be a waste of time. So I'm just going to simply open Docker, and this is what it would look like for you. You would have no containers here, as I don't have any as well. So yeah, this is what a fresh up Docker looks like. So if you installed Docker, then congratulations, you have completed step 1. Now let's go to the second step of this course, which is downloading and installing Node.js. Now I already have Node.js installed inside my computer, but I really don't know which version am I using on Node. So I'm gonna simply type in Node-v here. So I have the 20.8.1 version, and the current version is 21.0.0 version. So there's two options, the LTS option and the current option. Now let me tell you what that is. So the LTS option means long-term support, which you would regularly get bug fixes, security updates for a longer time if you download and install the LTS one, which I am also going to be doing that. So I'm just going to simply click on LTS, and then I'm going to choose my operating system. So I'm going to go for Mac, and then I will wait for this to download, and I will see you guys in a bit. Now it's time to install Node.js on our machine. So I'm just going to click on continue, agree, install, and then I'm going to give my fingerprints. Now Node.js is going to take a few seconds to install on my computer, so I'm going to give it a few seconds, and yeah, there you go, we are done. So yeah, that's all we needed. We installed Composer, PHP, Homebrew, and then Docker and Node, and with that we are done. So in the next video, I'm gonna see you guys inside Visual Studio Code, and we are gonna install our first project, and then we're gonna create it, and then we're gonna go through that. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and don't forget to like and subscribe.